Pearson Test of English provides secure English language testing for study applications worldwide and for visa applications for work and migration in Australia, the UK, New Zealand, and Canada. Every year, tens of thousands of people trust PTE to help them rapidly prove their English proficiency and to open doors to their future lives and careers. PTE Academic now accepted for SDS. Be Canada ready with one less worry. From the 10th of August 2023, the IRCC will accept the PTE Academic English Test for your student direct stream application, so you can get to Canada faster than ever. What makes PTE different? 1. Machine scoring. Accurate, fast, objective scores. 2. The first completely computer-based English test. 3. It tests international English, not just British or American. 4. Practice tests for maximum confidence on test day. 5. Convenient, friendly test centers. 6. Send your scores as often as you like, for free. PTE exam format and overview. The Pearson Test of English is a standardized exam evaluating a test taker's written and spoken English command. The PTE exam format is divided into 3 parts: speaking and writing, reading, and listening. It lasts around 2 hours and 15 minutes. PTE is one of the most popular choices for people who need to demonstrate their command of the English language for immigration or study abroad purposes. PTE Writing and Speaking section. The PTE exam format's most extended component is the one that tests your ability to communicate in writing and speech. Your grasp of the English language and its syntax and vocabulary is tested here. To best prepare for this part, you should focus on the following: personal introduction, read aloud, repeating a sentence, describing an image, reciting a lecture, answer short question, providing a text summary, essay writing. Reading section. PTE exam format. The time duration of each prompt depends upon the length of the text. The length is measurable in words or sentences. The PTE reading test aims to evaluate how well you comprehend written material. You'll need to answer things like: 1. Read, write, and fill in the blanks. 2. Questions with many choices. 3. Reordering paragraphs. 4. Read, write, and fill in the blanks. 5. Questions with many choices. PTE listening section. You will be tested on your ability to understand spoken English during the PTE's listening part. There are 8 distinct categories of questions you'll need to answer. 1. Summarization. 2. Multiple choice questions in single answer. 3. Multiple choice questions in multiple answers. 4. Fill in the blanks. 5. Select missing word. 6. Choose the correct summary. 7. Highlighting incorrect words. 8. Writing from dictation. Key takeaways. 1. The PTE exam format consists of the writing, speaking, reading, and listening section. 2. It takes 2 hours and 15 minutes to complete and is computer-based. 3. You should also be aware that, like the TOEFL and IELTS, PTE exam results are only valid for 2 years. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. In case of any queries, reach out to us or drop a comment below.